Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by selecting the part you want to change. Open Explorer and Properties so you see size, material, and color immediately. This prevents surprises. Add a surface appearance if you need PBR textures, or add a decal for a single face texture. Insert it as a child of the part. Once done, name the instance clearly so you can reference it later, and make sure the part's orientation is correct so textures won't appear rotated or flipped. Next, you configure the maps. Put your texture map, normal map, and roughness map asset ID into the surface appearance fields. You do this to control color, bumps, and reflectivity, which is why maps matter. If you used a decal, pick the correct face and set transparency or scale using studs per tile U/V to tile the image. These values determine how many repeats fit across the surface. Make sure material and color complement the map so lighting and reflections read correctly in-game. Finally, test the part in play mode and inspect lighting, seams, and tiling up close. If you see seams or stretching, adjust the part's size, face orientation, or studs per tile U/V values. Sometimes changing material to smooth plastic reduces visible seams. If nothing appears, confirm asset ID, make sure textures are uploaded and not set to private, and check rotation on the decal or surface appearance. One key troubleshooting tip: if textures look invisible, toggle the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.